What's up guys, this is Cameron here from SS Customs. Today we got kind of a special Tesla in here. Customer came by and we put in a Milltek Sport active sound control exhaust system. So what this is an electronic exhaust that makes your Tesla or any EV hybrid sound like it has a V8. We can make it sound like a Ferrari. There's different sound profiles you have to it. There's up to 8 different programmable modes. You can change how the RPMs work, how loud it is at idle, and it's a pretty cool system. You have 2 separate sound generators, one interior and one placed under the bumper on the exterior, so that you have both an internal rumble and an external rumble that everybody else can hear. Let's check it out. It has a nice startup procedure. So right now we have that low V8 rumble. I can change the level, how high it'll rev up to. I can even change a characteristic, make it lower like it's idling lower, or I can make it idle a little higher, as well as the level. You can have a nice soft rumble if you don't want to hear much, if you're sitting in traffic and it's starting to get annoying, or we can bring it all the way up to 100. So we have different types of exhausts. You can have your classic Ferrari, the high revving V12, or we can bring it all the way back down to a V8 rumble. We are an authorized distributor for these guys. If you have any questions, reach out to us. Facebook, Instagram, on our website. Submit a quote form, give us a call, 650-562-7034. Let us know what you think about it.